Today was the very first day the housemates went out to do their regular exercise, and you could see many of them, gisting, chatting, having fun, doing that push-ups and all of that. But what struck me most is when you see Whitemoney and Ceec together. I mean, the two of them are not far apart, right? So one will be thinking, what is going on? I mean, what is about to cook between these two people? So you could see Pere, popularly called General, coming to Ceec and Whitemoney here, talking to them. I don't know what he was talking to them about, but Ceec and Whitemoney seems to be getting close, During the whole time of the exercise, it was just the two of them. What is going on, guys? Please help me understand.
I've reached 100K since, but this time around, God knows, I'm not dropping that momentum. Yeah, I'm really good. It's just I need to hire somebody.
Just throw past mess. I